Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we focus on practical tools and techniques that help you stay organized and work more efficiently online. If you often find your browser cluttered with too many tabs, this guide will show you a simple way to fix that. Let's get started. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by too many tabs open in your Chrome browser? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use vertical tabs in Google Chrome to declutter your workspace and improve multitasking. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find, install, and start using vertical tabs effectively, especially useful if you work with multiple websites at once. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're using Chrome since the extensions we'll use are specifically designed for it. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type chromestore.google.com and press Enter. This will take you to the home page where you can browse and install extensions. Once you're on the web store, look for the Extensions section. Extensions are small tools that add extra functionality to your browser, similar to apps on a phone. Click into this section. Now, locate the search bar, usually at the top left, and type Vertical Tabs. Press Enter to view the results. You'll see several options, but look for an extension called Vertical Tabs in Panel. It's a reliable and user-friendly option for organizing your tabs into a vertical layout. Click on the extension to view its details. You may see previews and descriptions. These help you understand how it works. To install it, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking for permission. This is normal. Click Add Extension. Give it a few moments to install, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you'll notice a new icon at the top right corner of your browser. Click this icon to open your Vertical Tabs panel. You'll now see all your open tabs displayed in a clean vertical list on the side. From here, you can scroll through tabs, rearrange them, and switch between them more efficiently. This setup is especially useful when working or studying with many tabs open, as it improves visibility and navigation. Take a moment to try it out. Drag tabs, reorder them, and see how much smoother your browsing experience becomes. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating more valuable content. See you in the next tutorial.